ChatGPT is designed to process and generate human-like text based on the input provided by users. This means that it can answer questions, provide information, of conversations, and even generate creative writing such as poems and stories. In addition to English, ChatGPT is capable of processing and generating text in multiple languages, including Spanish, French, German, and Italian. The question that I get a lot is ChatGPT ever gonna replace anyone? And majority of the people asking this question are programmers. If you ask me, I don't think ChatGPT is ever gonna replace any programmer, not because it's not that intelligent, but there are some things which only a programmer can do. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to make an application in Flutter for you. It will write you some code, but that's not it. That's not what you want. So you do need a programmer. And to all the programmers out there, chill out buddy, you ain't going nowhere. You can ask ChatGPT to write to an essay on a topic, or how to make coffee. For me, the main purpose of releasing ChatGPT is not to take anyone's job, but to make people's lives more easy. Now let's take a look why ChatGPT is better than Google. When you search something on Google, it gives you a lot of websites to look for the information, but here ChatGPT beats Google. You ask something to ChatGPT, it'll give you direct answers right over there.